Hello everyone, I am Brianna and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing a look inside of the Rosey Life Planners October Deluxe Supreme subscription box. Now we are a few days into October and I knew I had to film this video, unbox this. I mean, I already took it out of the box, but unwrap, show you everything before I dive in because I'm itching to get all of this onto my planner. So let's see here. I think I've planned up until like the 5th of October and there are no stickers. I need to decorate my monthly spread. So I just had a little bit of time to film this video to share everything that is included in this Deluxe Supreme box. So we have 3 sets of, or not sets, but a set, 3 pieces of washi tape that you get. I have to have my light on because it is later in the day, so I do apologize. And my desk, my planner area is actually in my closet. So I know that sounds kind of strange, but I do have enough room to have a big desk and like this cupboard drawer system in my closet. So I know it sounds funny when I say closet, but I do have enough walking space in my closet. So this theme is, there's denim, there is a fall, very beautiful fall color theme, and Linda just blended those two beautifully, I think. So here are, okay, so this is like a clip, very heavy duty clip actually. So this will hold down your pages for sure. And then this looks like it is a button here. I believe these are magnetic. Sorry for all the sounds. Let's see if I can open it here. Okay, there we go. So as you can tell, that was a very heavy magnet. So this will be perfect and it will stay on your planner or wherever you put it. So for me, I like putting them in the front here. So like having one, all you would do is take the magnetic backing. Let me see if I can get it off there again. So you would have the bow in this case here, and you'd put the magnetic backing in the back, and then it would just stay on your planner. I think these are so, so cute and a really like good invention for the planner world because it just adds, you know, special little details to your planner or your TN, like what I had there. This is a pouch, so super cute. It is like denim theme, and I mean, I am sure this will fit so much. I'm like thinking, here's my weeks, my Hobonichi weeks. It can go in there. I think I'm going to keep this. I think I'm going to keep this in here and then put all of the things that I need that go with the weeks, because this is now going to be my memory planner. So I can keep photos, I can keep whiteout, highlighters, all the things in here. So I'm always in need of a good pouch, and that one is big enough and seems like it would be perfect to hold all the things that you might need to travel with or just take around the house. Okay, the sticker is coming off. All right, these are, oh, look at, oh, how pretty. So fall scenes. I like these bigger ones. I've said this before, for pages that you don't have a lot going on and you just want to bring a beautiful decor piece to your page. These are it. These are perfect. Those bows are so cute. Yeah, I want this little nook in my house. Fun fact, when I was little, I always wanted one of those like window seats where you can read. I mean, like just like this, really. And so I wanted one ever since I was young. I still haven't gotten one. Maybe one of these days. It's not going to happen in our current house because there is no like space for that. But maybe in the future, we can live in a house that has a little reading nook by a window. I think it'd be so fun to have that. All right, this is a sticker. It is a large sticker, so you can put it on your planner. I know that there are some people, so you can't do it with this planner, but there are some people who decorate the outside of their planner and they put stickers in. I like to put stickers on the inside. Actually, that looks really, really cute, so I might stick that right there. Just keep adding to my planner over the year. And here we have the October monthly stickers. These are tabs if you want to tab your planner. These are extra little elements that she added, the sticker sheets. They are Halloween themed because I think this is the only Halloween theme that you get in this October kit. But look at how cute. I'm like, even that spider, his little eyes are adorable. I love these. Okay, so we're going to use those for October. Now, I said this in my last video that for September, October, so these are all going to be the A5 size, but I completely switched to B6. So I need to figure out how to cut some of these down. It's the little things that make life big. Also, something that I've always wanted is to live in a place that has a ton of leaves everywhere in the fall and, a porch. So, we all have those like wish lists or things that we eventually want, but it's also important to be content with what you have. So I can admire all of this and still be content with where I am at right now. Okay, what is this? Cozy Fall trigger words, self-compassion trigger words. You can use these words as section headers or word of the day in your planner, for journaling prompts, as sticker or title spreads, or just to set your mood or intention for the day or week. Okay, this is kind of fun actually. So say you pick crisp air. Well, you can journal a time where the air was crisp and it can bring you back to a memory that you had in the past. So like for me, I can journal about a trip that I took to the East Coast when I was younger with my grandparents, and I still remember that crisp air. So I really like this a lot. So I'm going to use this for journaling prompts. I actually need to figure out where I want to continue journaling because I kind of have a lineup for 2026, but it doesn't really have a space for journaling prompts, so I need to figure that one out. Okay, fall is proof that change is beautiful. So these oranges and blues go so well together. It's amazing. I think this is one of my favorite kits. Absolutely gorgeous. And you guys, I am in America and the whole tariff thing scares a lot of us over here. But I had zero problems getting this box, like absolutely zero problems. It was flawless. So if you are afraid or on the fence with ordering, I can just say that it's not a hassle at all, and you still get your items in a timely manner. And there is an option on the Rosey Life's website. So if you're in the US, you pick a certain option for US customers and you're charged up front the fees, and it's not even a lot. So I'm going to continue moving forward. I never stopped ordering, so I'm going to continue. It's just, it works out perfectly fine. So, okay, fall in denim. There are some girls, little foiled elements. These are always fun on a page. Okay, so this is a terrible pattern. Not terrible, but tearable. You can tear them. And it's sticker paper. So you can either stick this whole thing on your page or you can tear bits of it. I want to see if I have, so here's an example of the end of September. I just put the whole page on here because I liked it all. And then did I do it in the back as well? I think I only did a little bit of it. So I only did a portion of it, but this really isn't giving it a good representation because, I mean, I have seen planners where they're just like, they just tear and they look beautiful. So that's what you can do with that. And then we have stickers here, which are so pretty. I think I'm just going to be saying gorgeous, pretty, beautiful this whole video because I am just in awe with all of this. Just rich, deep colors. These are going to look so good on my planners. And oh my goodness, look at this. I am a sucker for plaid, especially fall plaid. Oh my goodness. And it even looks like it's wool. I mean, talk about a good print right there. So what I was just going to say is I am so busy that I'm struggling putting stickers on my planner. I have probably more than half of September just pen and highlighter. And it is okay right now. It's serving me well because I don't have time, but I am missing those like beautiful elements on each page. So I'm going to try to get better for October. And I think I need to just have maybe like an hour each weekend to put a couple stickers down and not care where they go, because I was going to try to wait until, I'm just going to keep talking and showing you guys. I was going to wait until like after the week was done and I was planning, like I'm done planning for the week, and then add the stickers after, but that is proving to not work out. I love these textured papers. I've actually yet to use any of this, just because I'm not consistent in my my memory planning. I just need to figure out my system there and what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so this is also the bigger folder. So it is a very large folder. It holds these larger sheets of paper. I love having these because I can just store all of the papers and stickers that I didn't use in the month. So, okay, my daughter came in for a minute, so I had to stop recording. So I don't know what I was saying. So I'm just going to keep opening these. That's stuck on there. Yeah. I love these big stickers that you get too. Super cute. All right, let's keep going. We're almost done. I just have to share these items with you. So let me show you these big papers first. You can cut these down to size and tip them into your planner, which I have done that before. I used to put one before each month, and life has just been so crazy that I haven't been able to do that. But I mean, like, how cute. How cute would all of these be? And then I've also seen people where they cut little portions out and then tape them into their planner. I love this. Just trying to get it. You can see all the colors and all the angles. Okay. So let me bring these over. So these are some items that you can tip into your planner as well. Are these backwards? No, just this one maybe? Yeah, this is the side that it's printed on. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. I mean, I can totally cut that one down and it wouldn't lose too much of the effect of the image. It is a shame though. I just can't wait until I get my other ones because I will have the B6 size instead of the A5. Okay. And these are the cards that you get. So an October monthly card, more of the month stickers. Hello, October. Oh, this is cute. Look at Farm Fresh Pumpkins. Fall is proof that change is beautiful. And then this is like all of the goodness from her kit in a card. So cute. Okay, let's get to this stack of stickers that you get. I mean, look at these colors. I hope it's coming through well on the camera with the light shining on them, but wow. And this like gold foiling. So pretty. Linda did a really good job with this one. And there are enough items here that say you missed out on the November like I did not order in time. So I'm definitely getting December, but I'm going to have to wait to purchase the November items separately. But these can go right into November. And I mean, because that's still fall. And you will be just fine. I'm also getting the fall box. So I feel like that is going to be good too for November. So I'm not too worried about not having the November subscription coming. But again, that's on me. That was my fault for missing the huge window that Linda gives all of us to order. Okay. And then this is another sheet here. I love these. Love, love, love. And then this one has some more functional elements on there. And that is it, you guys. I am so glad that I shared this with you, not only because I want to show you the beauty of the Rosey Life kits, but also now I can use them. I can decorate my planner and, you know, get fall in there because I have not switched over to like these fall colors yet, and I'm just itching to get all of that into my planner and onto the pages. So if you guys have any questions about the Rosey Life, let me know. I'd be happy to help you. I do have a code for 15% off. It's Brianna 15, but it doesn't work on planners or like big kits like this. It does work on individual items in the shop. So if there's a past kit, if you see the items in the shop, you can purchase those and use my code and get a discount. So yeah, I hope that you guys are having a great start to October, and I will talk to you on my next video. Bye, you guys.